Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the Cambridge School e-learning series. I am Indrajit here, your computer teacher. Dear students, today we will continue with chapter 8, more on CSS3. Okay. What is CSS? CSS means cascading style sheet. Makes it easier to enhance the look of the different elements on a web page. It is a style sheet that provides a set of styles rules for defining layout of HTML documents. It defines a structure and scheme of presentation for the website. Okay, beta. In the previous classes, we have not learned about HTML because we have new version of this book. And today, firstly, we will do the basics of HTML. Now we will know about how to write a simple program in HTML. Firstly, we will know about that we write all HTML programs in a notepad. Okay. Notepad. Now you can write program. Less than sign. It is known as a tag, HTML. Okay. This is also a closing tag. We have started HTML and now we will close HTML also. Okay. After that, which heading we want to give, we will write here, title. Okay. What title we want to give? Suppose we want to give TCS Hathan. Now we will close HTML tag. Not HTML tag. HTML tag is already closed. Now we will close title tag. Okay. Now we will write body tag. Here we will write body like as which we want to display on a page of a website. Suppose we want to write welcome to the e-learning series of Cambridge School. Here we will close body tag also. Okay, beta. You have written program like this. Okay, HTML starter tag, closing tag with the forward slash. Okay. Now body tag also, title tag also closed. Now we will save this file. You can choose its destination for saving, desktop. Now you can give name. Suppose we want to give name Hathan or TCS. What we will save it with extension name of HTML. After that, save it. Okay. Now we will continue with and show. You can check here its name TCS. Now we can open with any web browser, Google Chrome. Suppose in my Intel laptop I have so many web browsers, but we can open Mozilla Firefox or a Google Chrome. You can check here. We have given title TCS Hathan. It's shown here, and what we have written under the body tag, it's displayed on a page. It is help us to make a web page. You all see different websites. Mostly sites are made using the HTML. Okay. Today we have done with the basics of HTML. Now you can see we can make more changes also in program. Here we can give marquee tag. Marquee tag. You can save again. It is saved. Now you can open Google Chrome file. Simply refresh it. It will revolving on the screen. I hope it's clear to all. If you are having computer, then you will try this simple program on your computer or laptop. Okay. Otherwise, when will be school open, we will continue there. Thanks and take care, my dear students.